We got double live vocals from Wendy today, so it's jug of water type day. What's up, everybody? It's your boy Too Grown, because I'm obviously too grown for the actions. And today we have some more Red Velvet. That's right, today's Wednesday, so you guys know what that means. We got some more fire Red Velvet coming your way, except today we got some fire Wendy going down today, because these squads sent me death videos, live Wendy vocal videos that just recently came out. I don't know if this is gonna be viewable in the sense of I might have to put something over this, because SBS usually kind of blocks things here and there depending on what it is. So hopefully this isn't blocked, it's viewable for everybody so we can all die to Wendy visuals and vocals together. You already know what I did, bro. I brought that full jug of water for Wendy. I'm not gonna waste any more time. Let's get right into this. I mean, look how cute our Wendy looks. I haven't hit the video yet, bro. All right, here we go. You want to get nervous when Wendy has a mic in her hand, bro? I don't want to get that nervy feel.
Everybody loves the things you do, from the way you talk to the way you move. Everybody here is watching you, 'cause you feel like home. You're like a dream come true. Bought it by chance, you here alone. Can I have a moment before I go? 'Cause I've been by myself all night long, hoping you're someone I used to know. You look like a movie, you sound like a song. My God, this reminds me of when we were young. Let me photograph you in this light, in case it is the last time that we might be exactly like we were before we realized we were sad, getting old. It made us so restless. It was just like a movie. It was just like a song. I was so scared to face my fears.
This is a live.
Nobody told me
This is crazy.
that you'd be here. And I swear you moved overseas. That's what you said when you left me. You still look like a movie. You still sound like a song. My God, this reminds me
I gotta listen to Wendy all day, bro.
of when we were young. Let me photograph you in this light, in case it is the last time that we might be exactly like we were before we realized we were sad and getting old. It made us so restless. It was just like a movie. It was just like a song. When we were young, when we were young, when we were young, when we were young. It's hard to admit that everything just takes me back to when you were there, to when you were there. And a part of me keeps holding on.
Is this on the show? What is this?
It hasn't gone, I guess I still care. Do you still care? It was just like a movie. It was just like a song. My God, this reminds me of when
Okay, you didn't have to do it like that. You didn't have to do us like that. You didn't have to do us like that. I was feeling that when we were young. I was feeling it like she was like building up, bro. And every time she was saying it, I was like, it's getting stronger and stronger and stronger. And I was hoping this wasn't gonna happen, bro, because I got a little teary eyed, bro. But it happened.
When we were young, when we were young,
That's a live
when
mic.
we were young, let me photograph you in this light in case it is the last time that we might be exactly like we were before we realized we were sad of getting old and miserable. Oh, I'm so mad I'm getting old, it makes me reckless. It was just like a movie, it was just like a song when we were young.
And then we're just nonchalantly put the mic down like it's just another day, bro. Come on, bro. Wendy's stupid, man. Wendy's stupid. We got another video from this. I have no idea what this is from. Is this like a show and they just took a clip of it, or someone tell me what this is actually from? But now we have Wendy Firework. Oh, it's the Katy Perry Firework. Oh, this is gonna be stupid. This is gonna be
Do you ever feel like a plastic bag drifting through the rain, wanting to start again? Do you ever feel so paper thin, like a house of cards, falling from cable? Do you ever feel a very buried deep, 6 feet on the streets, but no one seems to hear a thing? Do you know that there's still a chance for you? 'Cause there's a spark in you. Just gotta ignite the light and let it shine. Just on the night, like the 4th of July. 'Cause baby, you're a firework. Gotta show them what you're worth. Make them go as you shoot across the sky. Baby, you're a firework. Gotta let your colors burst. Make them go you're gonna leave them falling down.
Yeah.
You don't have to feel like a race to face. You're original, cannot be replaced. If you only knew what the future holds after a hurricane comes around. Maybe a reason why all the doors are closed, so you could open one that leads you to the perfect road. Like a lightning bolt, your heart will blow when it's time to know. You just gotta ignite the light and let it shine. Just on the night, like the 4th of July. 'Cause baby, you're a firework. You gotta show them what you're worth. Make them go as you shoot across the sky. Baby, you're a firework.
This is a live mic.
Make them go you're gonna leave them falling down.
This is a totally naked live mic. This is the equivalent of me singing in the shower. And I've sang the song in the shower. Who hasn't sang Firework Katy Perry in the shower? Don't lie to yourself. Don't make it weird. Don't lie to yourself. Admit it, bro. Don't make it weird. This is not me singing in the shower, bro. This is not how it sounds.
As you shoot across the sky, baby, you're a firework.
Yeah.
Let your colors burst. Make them go you're gonna leave them falling 'Cause baby, you're a firework. And come and show me what you want. Make them know as you shoot across the sky. Baby, you're a firework.
Hey, yo.
You're gonna live it for
How do you do that? And then the way she just hands the mic over like that's nothing, bro. That's crazy. That's crazy. I say this all the time over here. Everybody says that Wendy is absolutely stupid, bro. Her vocals are insane, man. But yeah, dude, her highs, her lows, the deep voice, and when we were young was crazy, bro. Firework. I mean, I know the original, bro, and Wendy absolutely smacked that one out the park, bro. Wendy is absolutely stupid. I could listen to Wendy all day, bro. We could all listen to Wendy all day. But yeah, anything else Red Velvet I gotta get to, anything like this, anything, please let me know in the comments below, because yeah, I haven't seen anything newish pop up besides these videos, so anything I'm missing out on, please let me know in the comments below. Also, if you're alive, let me know what you guys thought about these two, this Wendy When We Were Young and the Wendy Firework live vocals by Wendy. I know you're questioning it, but it's live, bro. But you already know what time it is, though. I love y'all. I'll see y'all on the next one.